But from that to the cover of Red Book, check this out. Check out the cover.
Very good hair and makeup, people.
No, you're really...
Very good hair and makeup.
No, but see, this is the beautiful thing about what you do, is that you were made fun of as a teenager, and you know what that's like. So when people see you, they go, how dare her, like, tell her that. But you know of what you're talking about. Can we show a couple of pictures of you as a teen?
Oh, no.
That's you right there, right?
Yeah. Look at that hair. I mean, that's really the part that upsets me the most. I have perm. There's no coming back from that.
When I see the hair, all I think of is, you might be my lucky star. It's a total Madonna haircut.
It's tragic. It's terrible. Oh.
Okay, so that, again, and so to build your confidence, take it down. So to build your confidence, so you got into martial art, right? That's how you got your confidence in martial arts.
Well,
and to start.
Fitness, to me, is transcendent because when you're feeling strong physically, I believe that it empowers you and it transcends into other facets of your life. So I was picked on as a kid, and I went in to take my second-degree blue belt test, and I had to break these 2 boards with a sidekick, and I didn't think I'd be able to do it, and I ended up doing it. And I remember I just went to school the next day, and no one ever picked on me again. And it's the way that you feel about yourself.
Change your life.
Because I had self-respect, and I treated myself with respect, and people pick up on that. And
here's what I go by. When I'm thin, they think I'm the dog whisperer. Like people say, my dog is urinating.
I can see it.
But I actually want to get down to Sanjay Gupta. That's my ideal weight.
Sanjay.